Hello guys. So in today's video we are going to learn how to create a database, how to use that database, and then how to create a table inside the database, and finally we will learn how to insert values in the database. So firstly I will use show databases. So this command will tell me the existing databases in my SQL. So these all are existing databases in MySQL which I have created earlier. So now we will create a database, create database, and the name of that database. It could be anything. Let's give it as Spider-Man. Spider-Man is the name of our database. So you can see that this query is affected. So our database is created. Now we will use this database. Use Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Okay. Database changed. Okay. Now we are using this database. Now we will use create table, and the name of this table. Now we will give the name of this table. Now once we have created a database, now we will create a table inside this database. So table consists of columns. So firstly I will give the name of this table. The name of this table will be Venom. I will give Venom. So Venom. So the column names I will include is name, and the data type of my column, that will be where and the size I want to give, let's say 10, because I know that name are usually for 10 words and 10 letters I have to say. So now if I want to give some constant like primary key, but I will not give it primary key because name can be of two person have similar name. So we will see, I will give constant, not null. Not null. Okay. Next I want is name. Last name. Again the size. Where can let's give this time 8. So next I want is roll number as my column. Roll number, and I want integer as its data type, and I want to use a constant name is primary key in this primary key. Okay. So name where can okay now. So our table is created. Now to see the table I will use the command desk. So this is the command to see the table desk, and the name of my table, that is Venom. So here you can see the column names are name, last name, roll number, their data types varchar and integer. So primary key, roll number is primary key. Now we will insert the values inside this table. Insert into, so this is the syntax, okay? Insert into Venom. So this is the name of table, Venom, and values. Okay. So keep one thing in mind that while creating the table we will not use commas, but now when we are inserting values inside a table, we will use commas for names or object values. Okay. So I will use Anant, Anant, Anant as my first name. Then I will use Mittal as my last name. Then I will use roll number. Roll number is unique, so one, let's say, and then insert. So here is, so now we have inserted one record inside our table. Now to again insert another record, let's type the syntax. Instead of Mittal and Chhabra, it's my friend's name, and it's okay. Similarly, you can create infinite numbers of records. So 3 is the roll number now. So I have inserted 3 records in my table. Now to see my table I will use select command, that is select asterisk. So the star or multiply symbol is known as asterisk, and the name of my table, that is Venom. Oh, I will forget to, so from, so the syntax is select asterisk from Venom. So this is our table created here. So in today's video we have learned 5 things. The first is how to create a database. The second, how to use the database. Third, how to create table, how to insert values inside a table, then how to see the table. In the next video we will continue from select command. Now we will use various condition in select command. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe it.